Understand Python list properly, it means you understand Python 50%, right? So today I'm going to talk about the characteristics of Python list, right? So there are four characteristics of Python. There are four characteristics of list, right? First one is ordered, mutable, allows duplicate and different data types, and five number is indexing. So we have an example of what we have a list with three elements, right? Now, first we will discuss about how we say that list is an order. Order means list maintain the order, right? Suppose we have, I want to check how list is an order, right? Suppose print, right? Print, and then after I will write the fruits name, list name, right? Then after I will write what the index, right? Now I want to print the output. This is the mango, right? I can say that the mango will always stay at same index until unless you cannot change it, right? So that is why we are going to say list as an order, right? So suppose we have an example, you can see the index number one, index number two, right? We have a positions of elements, right? And now we will check, we will take the same list, right? Now I want to check the what the second element characteristics, which is called how list is mutable. Mutable means you can change after creation, right? You can change after creation. That is known as what? Mutable. Suppose we have a fruit. I want to change the element 0 with the what? The grapes, right? So I want to print the fruit list, right? Now you can see the grapes orange and orange, right? So mutable means you can change after creation, right? That is why we are going to say the list is immutable, right? Allows duplicate values. So we will write the allows duplicate value. Duplicate means allows duplicate values means you can add duplicate value, duplicate values in the list, right? So suppose we have a list, control V, and we have a list with the two duplicate values, right? Mango, orange, orange. That is why we are going to say the list allows duplicate values, right? So now we have another type which is called different data types, right? We can store in the list different data types, right? Different data types. Suppose you can store the string, right? And also you can store the numbers, right? And also you can store the boolean values, right? Means you can different data types means you can store the different values in the list, right? Suppose we have a list, same list. So now I want to, we have a string. Now I want to add the 5, 6, these numbers. and then after I will want to check at the what this is true, right? That is why we are going to say the list can have a different data types, right? String, numbers, boolean, right? In the last we have indexing, right? Each element have a indexing, right? Suppose indexing. Indexing means position of elements, right? Position of elements in the list, right? Suppose we have a list, right? I want to access the, sorry, I want to access each element, then I will write the name of list, then after I will write the 0, right? So this is the position of what, the first element. Now I want to control V, right? Now I want to check the position of all elements, then I will write the 1 over here, then after I will write the 2, right? Now you can check the position of elements, mango, orange, orange, right? So this is all about the characteristics of Python lists, right? If you are new or if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel.